today I'm going to show you how to make felted acorns. To make them, you'll need felt, acorn caps, dish soap, a bowl of hot water, a bowl of cold water, and glue. The first thing you'll need to do is get your bowl of hot water and cold water, and you'll need to put a squirt of dish soap in your hot water. And mix it around. Then you'll need to get your wool roving. You'll pull off just enough wool roving to make a small ball. Then you'll spread apart your wool roving. The next thing you need to do is roll it into a loose ball. You'll dip your loose ball into the warm water and start rolling. Don't roll it too hard, because if you roll it too hard, it will become flat. Then you'll dip your ball. Once it's started forming a ball, you'll dip it into the cold water. And then you'll squeeze out most of the water. And then you'll dip it back into the hot water and start rolling again. As your ball starts to firm up, you can press harder or start rolling harder. This process could take about 10 minutes or more. Sometimes your ball can have a crack in it. If your ball does have a crack in it, you can add soap in it, a tiny bit of dish soap, and then you can work it in with your finger. Then you can dip it back in your hot water and continue rolling. Once you're happy with your ball, you can leave it out to dry. The final step to making your acorn is gluing the acorn ball to the cap. You can use hot glue or craft glue. And here's the acorn. I want to thank my sister for being in this video with me. I hope you all have fun making them.